guys, in this video we are going to discuss Othello's characters written by William Shakespeare. The first one is Othello, who is also called a Moor. He is an African, a general in the defense force of the city-state of Venice. His successful profession brings him high status in Venice, but his foreign origin and color separate him from those with whom he lives and works. He is a military man with a reputation for courage in battle and a good judgment in military matters. Othello falls in love with Desdemona and marries her, but during the campaign against the Turks, Othello is tricked by Iago, who is the villain of the play, Iago, into believing that his wife has been unfaithful with his lieutenant Cassio. Iago works on Othello's personal and social insecurity until Othello believes the companion of Iago lies and filmy circumstantial evidence. Inflamed with jealousy, he smothers Desdemona in her bed, only to find out too late that he has been misled and has killed the woman who loved him faithfully. In despair, he kills himself. Iago, Othello's ancient captain in the Venetian defense forces. He had hoped for promotion, but Othello passed over him in favor of Cassio, and Iago revenge on them both. He exploits Rodrigo as a source of money and an unwitting accomplice in his plot to bring down Othello. When finally cornered and charged with his wickedness, Iago refuses to speak or to repent and explain his actions, and he goes to his punishment still surrounded by mystery. Desdemona, a noble Venetian lady, daughter of Brabantio, she organizes her life intelligently and shows courage, love, and loyalty. And following her husband into danger, she accompanies Othello to Cyprus on the campaign against her Turks, but finds becoming distant and making wild accusation against her. She firmly believes that he will see that she is true to him, but when she realizes he is about to kill her, she can only feel despair and grief. She dies declaring her love for him. Brabantio, who is a Venetian senator, Desdemona's father. He is angry at his daughter's choice of husband, but can do nothing once the marriage has taken place, and the Venetian Senate has accepted it. He warns Othello and that Desdemona is a clever deceiver. Rodrigo, a Venetian nobleman in love with Desdemona, he has more money than sense and pays Iago to court Desdemona on his behalf. Iago, playing on Rodrigo's hopes, and continues to help himself to Rodrigo's money, and Rodrigo never gets his heart's desire. Iago involves Rodrigo in an attack on Cassio, for which Rodrigo pays with his life, as Iago kills him to ensure his silence. Cassio, who is also called Michael Cassio, Othello's lieutenant in the Venetian defense forces. Cassio accompanied Othello as his friend when he was courting Desdemona. He is popular, he speaks well, and he is lively and trusting. Iago eventually convinces Othello that Cassio is Desdemona's paramour. Cassio is appointed governor of Cyprus after Othello's death. Bianca, she is a prostitute in love with Cassio. She is skilled in needlework and agrees to copy the handkerchief that Cassio gives her. Then she throws it back at him, believing it is the token of his new love. Emilia, Desdemona's lady is waiting and Iago's wife. She knows Iago better than anybody else and suspicious of his actions and motives. She does not realize until too late that the wicked person who has poisoned Othello against Desdemona is Iago, her own husband. Gratiano. Gratiano Brabantio's brother, he and Rodrigo find Cassio wounded after Rodrigo stabs him in the drunken brawl. Rodrigo, Desdemona's cousin. After the death Desdemona, Rodrigo questions Othello and Cassio together, thus revealing the truth. Montano, Othello's procedures. As the governor of Cyprus, he is Othello's friend and a loyal supporter. So the three characters are minor characters. So who are the Gratiano, Rodrigo and Monato. So thank you for watching my video lesson. Thank you.